Welcome back, fellow Pyros. This is part 2 of artillery shells. Ghostacular artillery is 125, King Dragon is 120, Antimatter containment 115. I'm going to say this wrong, I'm sure. Kamehameha wave 105, and the super Kamehameha wave is 120. And once again, I'm sure I'm saying that completely wrong. Double Jeopardy 195. Those are actually really good shells. The Best of Taco 130. You get all the best ones that they have there, guys. That's a really good kit to buy. Nikishi bombs $115. Crazy Camaro $110, and Valkyrie shells is $100. Mad Hatter is $125. Thunder Nation $110. Red Line artillery shells is $95. Cowabunga $120. Never shot these, but I heard they're really good shells. Actually, I'm thinking about picking those up. Panther shoot shells is $100. Neon Widow is $95. Realtree 5-inch Wildcat cartridges $115. Shell Shock 85, and Holy Nikishi is $125. Tiger shells $175, guys. Nightmare shells $125. Thriller canister shells, once again, is a really good shell to shoot, $195. Cobra Kai $100. Tiger Power $85. Silver Bullet $115. Mafia is $120. Supermax Extreme $100, and Excalibur is $95. And Total Destruction is $100. Excal 5-inch is platinum is $105. Growler is $115. Neon Beef is $100. Assassin Artillery is $100. Vibranium shells is $195. Never heard of them. Cannon of Liberty $95. The Patriot is $95, and Vampire shells is $100. So I think that pretty much wraps up most of the artilleries here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and come back up with some 500-gram cakes, I think. We'll start here. Back the Blue is $69. 10 Million Fireflies is $65. Thunder Road is $34. Candy Crush is $67. Boom Chicka Wow Wow is $67. Infinite Power is $47. Matrix Assassin is $60. Global Dominance is $59. Festival Balls is $10. You got a whole bunch of festival balls there. Yep. Black Cat Festival Balls is $10. And Siren is $70. Pathogen is $65, guys. Crackling Artillery must be those right there, I'm assuming. Those are $15. Sky Bombs is $10, and Banshee is $70. Nightmare is $47. Night Prowler is $40. Squealer is $32. Eagle Eyes Artillery is $30. You got Bandicoot, $62. Kiss of Death is $70. You got Bombshell is $22. Crazy Mutant Shells is $50. Never heard of them. Anarchy is $63. Back to the 500 grams here. Shaman is $60. The Grizz Tiger Tails is $50. Sensei is $70. Excommunicado is $70. Hasperos is $37. You got little 1-inch magnums down there is $6, and $25 for Triple X. 1-inch mini artillery is $9 on those guys. Back up here, Aquarium is $37. V-Line Fashionista is $37. Stugatz is $70. Shine is $43. Enough Said is $60. Triple X Shells is $30. Whistling Serpent is $40. Funky Monkey shot that one for the first time last year. That is a really awesome cake. Might be better than Guerrilla Warfare, guys. $47 on that. Spawn Kill is $38. Sherwood Forest, if you like. I believe this one is like the Willow Effect. That's a really good one. $69 on that. Got great value artillery. If you know, $70. Those are good. Kentucky is $60. Midnight Toker is $80. Blue Dream is $65. Cornucopia is $70, guys. And Dragon Glass is $70. So we've covered all of these. And we've covered all the artillery section here, guys. So I'm going to cut this video here and we'll start part 3 in just a moment.